Hey there everyone. Okay, so this video is about 2022 in review. So what I want you to do, I'm going to give you some journaling prompts and I want you to get out a journal and I want you to go through these questions to really finish up 2022 and then go into 2023 with a clean slate and really being able to move forward, feeling relaxed and focused, letting go of 2022 and moving in with the new energy of 2023. All right, so here's the questions that I want you to journal on and reflect on in this workshop, okay? So here we go. We've got the first question is, what did you learn this year in 2022? Okay, and so you can write that question down and then just pause the video and then answer those questions in your journal and see what comes through, and feel free to share them in the comments because I would love to hear about it all and see what you learned from 2022, because we are always learning and everything's lessons and learnings, in my opinion. There's no failure, there's just lessons. So yeah, tune in, see what comes through. What lessons did you learn in 2022? That's the first question. And so going on to the second question is, what did you like about 2022? What was your favorite parts about 2022? And write them all out. And like I said, you can pause the video and then also you can pop it in the comments, your answers to the questions. The third question is, what didn't you like about 2022? What didn't you like about it? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments. Journal through that. And then the next question is, if you could change anything about 2022, what would you change? How would you want it to be different? How would you have liked to experience 2022? If there's anything that you would like to change about it that you didn't particularly like. Okay? And once again, you can share that in the comments. I'd love to hear all about it. And the next question is, what are you leaving behind in 2022? What are you letting go of? What are you no longer available for in 2022? Like, what are you going to leave behind? And like I said, let me know in the comments. Okay, so the next question is, what are you creating in 2023? So what are you manifesting? What do you want to see happen in 2023 in your life? And write it all out. I mean, everything. Genie's come out of the bottle. It's gone, what do you want to manifest in 2023? Give it all to me. I want to know. And like I said, pop it in the comments. The next question is, say it's New Year's 2023. What do you want to have accomplished in that year? I'd love to know. So you put yourself in, so we're in New Year's of 2023 and you're looking back at your year, of the whole year, the whole 12 months. What do you want to have achieved and accomplished? What do you want to have manifested in that 12 months? Once again, you can put that all in the comments because I would love to know all of this. And also putting it into the comments and putting it out there is like, so you're writing it out, because I do want you to write it out as well, because that's also really good to put it out there to the universe as well. But then writing it out again, you're really putting it out there, okay? And these last two questions, the questions of what are you creating in 2023 and say it's New Year's, what do you want to have achieved, accomplished and manifested? I want you to read them out for the next 30 days at least. I want you to keep coming back to them and reading on them and reading them and reading them and really going deep. And if you want to add stuff, you can add stuff, all of that kind of thing. And so, and like I said, you know, putting it out there as well into the comments is really good to really put it out there to the universe. This is really what I want to achieve. And yeah, I would love to see it all. So that's my little workshop for you, which is your year of 2022 in review going into 2023. Like I said, please share it. And if you want to share this little workshop with others, get them on board, because this is a really good way to really go forward in 2023 without all the baggage of 2022, but then also putting out there what you want to achieve in 2023 as well, and getting really clear on that and really stepping into that conscious creator that you are. Alrighty, let me know if you've enjoyed this and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.